Spermidine has become one of the most exciting natural compounds in longevity science because it supports one of the body's most fundamental anti-aging processes, autophagy. Found abundantly in wheat germ, mushrooms, soy products, legumes, and certain seeds, spermidine is a polyamine that cells rely on for growth, maintenance, and internal housekeeping. What makes it especially compelling is that it appears to trigger many of the same cellular repair pathways associated with fasting, calorie restriction, and other well-known longevity interventions, but through everyday foods rather than extreme dietary strategies. The growing body of research connecting spermidine intake with improved health span and even extended lifespan paints a notably positive picture of what this nutrient may offer. Autophagy, the cellular recycling and cleanup process, naturally declines with age. When autophagy slows, damaged proteins accumulate, mitochondria become less efficient, and tissues lose resilience. Spermidine helps counteract this decline by activating autophagy-promoting pathways, particularly through regulation of key enzymes like EP300 and through modulation of acetylation patterns inside cells. When autophagy is stimulated, cells become better at removing dysfunctional components, repairing internal structures, and maintaining energy production with fewer errors. The result is a biological environment that looks and behaves younger, with stronger stress resistance and a slower rate of cellular deterioration. At the molecular level, spermidine influences several longevity-related mechanisms simultaneously. It enhances mitochondrial function, supporting cleaner, more efficient energy production, a hallmark of youthful cells. It helps reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, not by blocking immune responses, but by improving the quality control of cellular components that otherwise trigger inflammatory signaling. Spermidine also supports genome stability and may help protect against DNA damage, partly through its influence on autophagy and partly through improved antioxidant defense systems. These combined effects create a gentle but meaningful shift towards slower biological aging. Clinical research in humans adds substantial positivity to the overall picture. A widely cited study from Austria found that adults with higher dietary spermidine intake had significantly lower all-cause mortality over several years of follow-up. This was not a marginal difference. Those consuming the most spermidine-rich foods lived longer, even when controlling for lifestyle factors. Additional observational research links higher spermidine intake to improved cardiovascular markers, healthier metabolic profiles, and reduced inflammation. These findings align with what scientists have long observed in laboratory and animal models, where spermidine supplementation consistently extends lifespan and enhances health span across multiple species. Early clinical trials also suggest that spermidine may have beneficial effects on cognitive aging. In older adults, spermidine-rich wheat germ extract has been associated with improved memory performance and better overall cognitive function. Researchers believe this may be due to enhanced autophagy in brain cells, improved mitochondrial activity, and reduced oxidative stress, all factors known to influence the pace of neural aging. Though the research is still emerging, the results so far point toward a gentle but real protective effect on brain health. One of the most encouraging aspects of spermidine research is how accessible and sustainable the intervention is. Wheat germ, one of the richest natural sources, can be added to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods with ease. Many traditional diets high in legumes, seeds, and whole grains unintentionally deliver meaningful amounts of spermidine, which may help explain why populations with such diets often display longer health spans. Unlike supplements that require strict dosing or can interact unpredictably with medications, dietary spermidine from whole foods tends to be well tolerated and naturally balanced with other beneficial nutrients. Even more uplifting is the gentle nature of spermidine's influence. Instead of forcing drastic biological changes, it enhances the body's own maintenance and repair systems. It helps restore youth-like cellular behavior in a way that aligns with natural physiology. Over time, this translates into better resilience, improved metabolic stability, and a slower accumulation of the cellular damage that contributes to aging. While research continues to expand, spermidine stands out as one of the most promising natural compounds for supporting longevity. Through its ability to stimulate autophagy, enhance cellular repair, and support healthier aging markers in clinical studies, it offers a hopeful, scientifically grounded strategy for promoting long-term vitality. By incorporating spermidine-rich foods like wheat germ into daily life, individuals may gain a meaningful advantage in the pursuit of a longer, healthier, more resilient lifespan, one supported by both tradition and cutting-edge biological research.